Good morning, friends. This is Rich again over at the Gospel Rescue Mission. We're creating these videos again to help you set up a solid foundation so that way you can overcome storms and take advantage of opportunities that present themselves because you are ready. You have prepared yourself. So last week, or the last video, we actually talked a little bit about setting up some core structure things into your life that you do on a routine basis. Get better inch by inch, a little bit by little bit in different areas. So for this video, we're going to focus in on one of those areas, which is eat. So you started writing in your journal every day, eat, move, sleep, breathe, and love. And we're going to cover each of those in separate videos just to cover a little bit about what those entail. So now, as you write those down, you're going to write one thing next to each one of what you're going to do today. Just a little thing to make yourself a little bit better. So for example, today, we're going to focus on eat. We need to work on some things here. We need to get healthier. Healthier is going to help you overcome fatigue. It's going to energize you. Your food equals energy. So food equals energy. Yes, there might be pleasure in it. There might be joy in it. There's fellowship around the tables. We love, when we talk about love, that could include food. But today we're going to talk about eating. And one of the things we need to do is we need to limit or completely eliminate our processed foods. Those things are hurting our brains, hurting our bodies, causing us to be less effective. I remember I went to Bible college and they would talk about these missionaries and they would do the fundraising and they would go to whatever foreign land they were going to and they would die within weeks because their health could not handle that. Well, we're going to impact the kingdom of God. My brothers and sisters, my friends, we have got to take care of our bodies. So let's, one thing, reduce processed foods. Increase the amount of healthy foods that we eat, mostly vegetables. Yes, we can still have meat. I'm not anti-meat in any way or shape or form, but as I love meat, I had steak last night for dinner. But this is the deal. We have to get more vegetables into our system. So I'll tell you one of the things that I do every morning is I have 16 to 20 ounces of celery juice that I started my day with to kind of build that energy and that strength. And I encourage you to do the same. We'll be back next week with more tips on how we're going to move forward with building a good core. See you all soon.